Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto G72, and now I'm gonna show you how to bypass family link protection on this device. Okay, so all process is deleting Google account and recovering Google account. So we need to delete Google account and recover it. So let's start. As you can see, I have no calculator and clock application because I have blocked it using my parent device. But now just click settings, then scroll down and choose here Google account, Google. Then choose manage your Google account. Now scroll right, choose data and privacy, scroll very down and choose delete your Google account. Now confirm your password. And choose next. Scroll down, click yes, and choose delete account. Wait a while and open your menu application. And as you can see, all blocked applications was successfully recovered on my device, YouTube and others. And that's it. But we need to recover our Google account, because if you have paid games or paid applications, you don't want to pay for it again, so you need to recover your Google account. So just open Play Store and click sign in, then enter your email, click OK, and as you can see, we have this message: this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. So just click next and enter your password. Click next, and something went wrong. It's okay, it might be, but now just click next and sign in again. Enter your email, click next, and as you can see, there is just password typing screen. So alright, just enter your password again. And click next. And that's it. Click I agree, Google services, and cool. Play Market was successfully recovered. Our Google account was successfully recovered with our email, with our purchase, with all Google account data. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.